Want to know how to detect redundant conditions in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see a redundant condition. So for us, this is a redundant condition. So it's on the 13th line, and we're gonna ask Cursor AI to analyze it, and let's see if it gets it right. So just simply open up a Cursor AI application, and you should be seeing your code. Just simply select the entire code that you want to find out from. And now, since we are analyzing it and not modifying it, just simply select add to chat. Now once I've added add to chat, your chatbot should appear. And now just simply type in this simple prompt. Now just simply select enter. And now once I've clicked enter, as you can see right here, it should plan your moves and it will give you your required output. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more office videos. See you in the next one.